y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair video. As you can tell by the title, this is my fall inspired hair tutorial. All the hair details will be listed down below. Before we get into this video, girl, make sure you are subscribed to my channel with the notifications turned on so you don't miss uploads from me. Also, go ahead and give this video a like because we already know you're gonna love it. And let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So the hair that I'll be using is from Lamoda Hair, or Lemoda, however you pronounce the name. So I originally ordered a 13x6 frontal wig. Now I did not receive that. I was kind of disappointed, but for those who know me know I hate returning stuff. So I just went ahead and decided to go ahead and continue with the video and, you know, try to still achieve a look because I literally hate returning stuff. But they gave me a probably like, I don't even know, it's just like a closure part to me. I don't know, you're gonna see in this coming up in this clip exactly what the wig looked like. So it was nothing than what I expected. There was like a little bit of room for like what they probably thought was baby hair, but it's not baby hair, and I was kind of disappointed, but I still went ahead and finished the look. So this is what the hair looked like before I went ahead and dyed it the coppery orange color. The dyes that I'll be using is the French Cognac, Spice Amber, and Cajun Spice. So originally I was just pouring in a little dye at a time to see what the color was like, but then in the end I end up using all the dye that I had because I feel like the color wasn't giving me what I was looking for. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm just slowly adding in dye and mixing it in with my brush to make sure it's all blended out, and then I just keep adding in more dye. So what you see me doing here is just dipping the hair in the water to test it out first, just to make sure it is the color that I want it to be. And then I'm just making sure the color is all over the hair before I leave it to set by itself. So I just made sure the dye was covering every strand of hair before I left it to sit. And then I left it to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes if I'm not mistaken. But I really don't leave my hair to sit that long because it's going to take, because this hair is already blonde. So I knew the color was going to take regardless. So I just left it in there, I believe, for 15 to 20 minutes. So please excuse my bald cap because it's literally not a bald cap right now. I was trying that trend of like pulling the bald cap under my eye to get a better lay. It didn't turn out right, but once I realized this wig was not a frontal wig, I was like, oh well, I'm still gonna do it anyway because I don't even need all of that hair. So I ended up going, as you can see, look at this hairline. First of all, this lace was not HD lace like the website said. I also didn't receive the correct frontal, or not frontal, the correct wig. So I was kind of like, you know, I was low-key disappointed once I realized like it just wasn't, you know. So know, I still try to make it work, but here I am just cutting the lace where my ear tabs are, and then I'm just going to continue to do the same thing on the other side, and then I'm just going to cut the excess lace off the front. So I'll be using Bay gummy glue adhesive, and this is the extra gummy. And it is extra gummy. Like, this stuff is really, like, it holds its hold, you know, it does what it does. And I'm gonna say that because the first time I used it, I only used one layer because I knew I wanted to take the wig off like in the next couple days. But when I say my wig was locked off of one layer, girl, it was locked. So this time I'm using 2 layers of the glue. Just because, like, this wig did not give me what I was looking for, and I did not want my hair lifting up. So now that my hair is all set, the glue is dry and everything, I am going in with my hot comb just to make sure everything is straight. Now, I did straighten the hair off camera before I put the wig on, so the only thing that I had to do was go in with my hot comb. Y'all see that cap? Do y'all see that cap? Oh, gosh. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm just running my flat iron through my hair just to make sure everything is nice and bone straight. Now, this overall look, I think, was kind of like a plus but a fail at the same time. As you can see, that lace is trash. Now, I'm not the best at doing my wigs yet, but like, I know I can do them better than what this wig looks like. But I did achieve a great middle part, I feel like. Now, I do have some other looks planned for this hair, so I'm not too upset about the hair not looking the way that it looked, because I am planning on doing some looks in October where I need this hair color. So I will be using this wig again strictly for those looks. And now I'm just making sure my part is straight. But this overall look, I really feeling the color. I'm really feeling the vibes, but I'm just more upset that I didn't get what I paid for. But like I said, I don't like returning stuff, so that is just something I'm gonna have to deal with. But other than that, I honestly feel like if I would have just knew that I was paying for this wig, I wouldn't have been as upset. As you know, like I wear synthetic wigs from time to time, so it's not a big deal having a part that looks like this, just for quick looks. But thinking I was paying for a different frontal or a different wig is why I'm like, not. I wasn't feeling it at first, but it did grow on me. I think I wore this wig for like 3 days, but like I said, I'm going to be using it in a different look. So yeah, that is pretty much all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead, like I said, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you leave some comments down below. Also, make sure you are subscribed to my channel with the notifications turned on so you don't miss uploads from me. And I will see y'all in my next video.